You're actually a bitch.
Dang it! God!
I don't want.
If my girlfriend wants to see me, I'm canceling.
I love when people say, oh.
Listen, bro.
Thank you so much for chiming in, but I'm gonna stop you right there, cause...
Your Honor.
You know what? I could.
Hey, remember? Be nice.
Stop.
I don't know.
If you're in
Another day, another slay. Oh, guys, I
Stop being sad, you stupid slut.
Y'all want to hear my new mantra?
try being my size ain't.
I love it when you're.
Can we skip to the good part?
I always slay.
I am feeling the effects of You'll get it when you're older.
If you don't like me, and I'm so precious. Listen up, you bad bitch, okay?
Right, it's Monday. Time to do some.
When you are. Here's the thing you need to know about
My baby.
I'm alive.
You could be like, I'm so sad. Am I?
Hey.
Chocolate?
And I get a wall.
So here's what just happened.
I can't